Okay, so we are at the property. The front just needs to tidy up at the end, but otherwise it should be fine. There is signs of damp up there, so we'd have to investigate. I've been throughout the whole property, and essentially it needs a light refurb, so it needs to be redecorated throughout, and needs new carpet throughout as well. All these sockets. We're going to need to check to see if it needs a rewire or not. I don't think it does, but we will need to have a look. At a minimum, it needs to be redecorated throughout. That needs a new door handle as well, potentially a new door, and then it needs to be recarpeted throughout as well. Potentially down here we'll just have laminate. All that needs redecorating. So it's got a lot of wood chip wallpaper throughout. I would recommend stripping it off and redecorating it. Replastering, repainting. But given the type of property it is and where it is, I suspect it's probably easier just to redecorate over the wallpaper. The flooring, this needs to come off. A lot of it's warped. So if we're going to do the works, then we might as well do everything. The doors, they can be stripped down and repainted. That needs to be sorted. Needs a new kitchen throughout. So that glass needs to be replaced. Obviously, it was broken into. I think the previous agent boarded it up, but nothing else has been done. So that needs to be replaced. And yeah, so new. So that's fridge freezer. I don't really want to sniff that. But this needs to be all replaced, really. Boiler looks like it's had better days, but it just might be really dirty. So hopefully we can leave that for now. But if it needs replacing, then it needs replacing. Yeah, kitchen's quite narrow, but really it all needs to be replaced throughout. I'm not going to go outside, but it's quite small, and we'll look out the window from upstairs. But yeah. Glass needs to be replaced as well. Okay, so again, recarpeted throughout, redecorate throughout. These holes need to be filled up, repaired, and then repainted. It's got a nice strip wire here, which is always good. Okay, so one of the bedrooms is a 2-bedroom property. Again, just redecorate, remove all the net curtains, and probably repaint that board, and then we'll leave those hooks there and put some curtain posts up. Doors again can be repainted throughout. So this is, again, more signs of damp. So there's probably a leak or water dripping on the outside wall, which we'll need to have a look at. That needs to be removed, repainted. So basically some new lights have been fitted, which means all the old ones need to be removed. In here, recarpeted, repainted. Okay, let's have a look at that. If it doesn't work, that needs to be removed as well, so it doesn't confuse contractors, the management team, and tenants. Flooring in here, just put new lino down here, and then repaint it. We need to investigate this and work and find out why there is so much mold here. So the tractor fan has been fitted. I can see that there's an isolator switch outside, so it's relatively new. But the tenant has been living in this mold hellhole for a while. And you can see along here as well. So yeah, this just needs to be gutted. We need to investigate and see why there is so much mold. And then it needs to be bathroom. And new doors. So redecorate the door. I think that should be it. So yeah, unfortunately it needs a refurb, but I don't think it's going to be that expensive. Well, it needs a new kitchen, new bathroom, redecorated throughout, new flooring throughout, but nothing structural. So I think this is going to be a job for Gavin. Garden just needs to be hacked back, and the fences need to be secured as well. I'm not going to go out there because there's loads of glass all over the floor, and it needs to be removed and made safe first. Okay, so let's have a look. I'm gonna walk out here, have a chat with the landlord. But yeah, we can't put this straight on the market. This needs to be refurbed first, and we need to investigate. All the damp that's in here. Okay, so if you don't know me already, my name's Nguyen. We're let and manage high quality HMOs and singlets, and this is not a high quality singlet, although it will be once we're done with it. In and around Birmingham. This one is in Bearwood. And if you like this sort of stuff, it's nice and grimy and old. And if you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. This should be a straightforward project, but it won't be cheap. All right, see you.